Dear everyone, today we are going to talk about some group of microbial forms, some group of organisms which are generally capable of producing diseases in human. Now, what are those organisms? How disease causing organisms are defined? Disease causing organism is defined as pathogen. What is pathogen? Pathogen means disease causing organism, and the scientific definition of pathogens are organisms having ability to induce the process of pathogenesis. Now, what is the process of pathogenesis? And pathogenesis means the process by which disease is caused. Whenever an infectious agent get entered in our body, a pathophysiological process occur resulting into the establishment of infection and disease. But if our immune system is active, then that pathogenic microorganism, meaning thereby pathogenic organisms, get eliminated from our body, and our body do not get caused disease by that pathogens. So in this video we introduce some of the pathogens which include bacteria, fungus, viruses, protozoans, helminths. These all pathogens are of microscopic in nature. However, some of the helminths which are not microscopic, which can be absorbed by our naked eye. So, pathogens include bacteria. Bacteria may be of two types. One is good bacteria and second one is pathogenic bacteria. But here in this video, we are talking about only those type of bacteria which can cause disease. So these pathogens include bacteria, fungus, viruses, protozoans and helminths. Now, some bacterial pathogens include Salmonella typhi, Streptococcus pneumoniae, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Vibrio cholerae, Clostridium tetani, Helicobacter pylori cause intestinal, that is the gastric cancer. Enterohemorrhagic Escherichia coli. This is a very dangerous bacteria which causes enterohemorrhagic uh, diarrhea in children, which may be resulted into the death of children. Now, fungal pathogens. Fungal pathogens include Microsporum canis, which cause Tinea corporis, Trichophyton rubrum and Trichophyton interdigital. These two species cause athlete's foot. And third genus and species of fungal pathogens include Epidermophyton flocosum. Now, ringworm disease fungal pathogen. In this video, we are concentrating our discussion only on those organisms, those pathogens which has been discussed in NCERT book for 12th class or medical entrance examination, means preparation of medical entrance examination in India. So some fungal pathogens causes ringworm, and these are the fungal pathogens which causes ringworm in human. Ringworm is a disease. This is not a worm, and this is the infectious disease of a skin which is caused due to the infection of certain type of fungi, that is the pathogenic fungi. Now, viruses. There are so many groups of viruses including retroviruses, rhinoviruses, adenoviruses, coronaviruses, but here in this slide we discuss only AIDS virus which causes HIV AIDS in human. Rhinoviruses which cause common cold in human. Hepatitis virus which cause hepatitis in human. Coronavirus causes COVID-19. Now, protozoans. Two group of protozoans, that is the Plasmodium, that is malarial parasite, and Entamoeba histolytica, which has been discussed in NCERT book. That's why we we discuss only these two types of protozoans. Plasmodium is a malarial parasite which cause different type of malaria. Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium malariae are three species of Plasmodium which has been discussed in NCERT book. Entamoeba histolytica, which is also a protozoan which causes dysentery. Now, helminths. These two organism, that is the Ascaris, which causes ascariasis, and Wucheria causes elephantiasis or filariasis in humans. So these were all about the pathogens. Pathogens are group of life forms, group of organisms which are capable of inducing pathogenesis, inducing the process of pathogenesis, meaning thereby pathogens always cause disease, or disease producing organisms have been described as pathogens. Thanks for watching this video.